Hey guys, welcome back to Tkdghosthunter. I'm Melissa, this is Lamb, and today we're taking out the stock reverse light and we're putting in a tinted reverse light and brake light. It'll be the fourth brake light. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take these little things off, these little stoppers. Just like so.
Yeah, pull this off. Just pops right off. Little poppers. Do the same thing this side.
Here. You're going to need a T15 torque that goes right here to unscrew this. So on your stock Supra, you'll have 4 8mm bolts, but since we ran rock guards, if you watching our previous videos, we just have 3 screws. Right? Yeah. So we're taking this off. Next, you're going to need an 8mm socket, and you're going to peel this back, and the bolt is right up here somewhere. Where's that? I'm trying to do it right up here. All right, so there's a little lip and it's right there above it. All right, so you gotta take off 4 screws. You'll need an 8mm right here, and then 2 on this side.
So there's clips underneath the bumper, John. If you go underneath.
Okay, I'm gonna record you.
There's a little clip. Yep. These 3 little clips. You just, look, John. Press up. Got it? Awesome. All right, that's good. Oh, that side popped in. Nope, it didn't. All right. All right. Go between the fender liner, right? And tug. Tug my way. Yep. There you go. Good. Now that's loose. That's loose, right? Yeah, pull that. Look, John. Get your fingers and just slide it and pull it as you go. See that? You get your, and there's clips here too. There you go. Ready? So this part we only want to put about 1 inch. Okay. Scary. Huh? This is what mine looks like. It's just a little. It's not great. It's just. If you push it down, it comes out.
That's so scary. That pop.
See how we're doing? You want me to do it? Give me just let it go. pull. Yep, pull. I think stuck. So
So what he's doing is pushing the tab down.
Yep, pushing the tab down. There's one more there. Yep.
Right there.
Oh, wait, you're in the middle. Underneath the middle, right there.
Sucker is in there, ain't it? Ooh.
What you got over here? I got it. Yeah. Stop. All right.
All right.
So now, we got to remove the brake parking sensor clips. All right, so. All right. And then, tag lights.
Where's the tag lights?
Right on
Can't
top of
see.
Remove the tag lights from here by squeezing and pulling, and then this is the backup camera.
What are you doing now? The brake light
Here's the brake light one.
or the reverse light?
Let's see how to take it out. There we go. I see it. It's a weird looking thing. So, you know. Press it together. Back it out. Alright, so pick up so we're going to take this.
These are one of the release tabs where you have to push up on it so you can be able to pull. Be careful, you don't want to break that.
Remove 4 8mm fasteners. So we are tapping the green and blue and the purple and white. And then the green and blue on this side, the hot side. And then we're just gonna kind of plug everything up, make sure it works before we kind of button everything up.
And install it onto the bumper.
And install it onto the bumper. The red one on this side. Blue wire to the, I'm sorry, red wire to the blue and green, or green and blue. Red wire, blue wire to the purple. All right. Plug it in.
It only plugs in one way.
Plug the reverse in.
There goes the one way.
Good brakes.
Oh, that's bright.
Crank it.
Hey.
So, all they did right then was basically test it. Make sure everything worked before they put the bumper back on. It's a smart thing to do.
We didn't die.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Blue wire connected to the purple and white wire. Red wire connected to the green and blue wire. Passenger side, red wire connected to the green, and it looks whitish. It didn't have a blue line in it, so luckily we found the right one. So now we're gonna take everything apart, tuck everything back up, and put it back together.
All right.
So I'll have to zip tie this up here to have that, you know, how much is that right there? So. All right. You want to connect the wires back up?
How about you do the
The
bottom?
bottom first.
Reverse light.
Did you lock your reverse light in?
We need to lock my reverse light in. I broke that clip.
All right. So you're gonna raise it up just a little bit. Okay. Going to hook up my tag light. Tag light.
I heard in Mexico you don't need to.
Camera.
I heard in Mexico you don't need a tablet. That's what I heard.
Wherever we're going.
Okay.
Definitely not in Mexico.
Parking sensor. Parking sensor. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to go and put this onto this first. Okay.
So reverse of what you took it off.
Yep. It is. Alright. Now, before we do anything, these need to go back in.
Why? Don't you gotta clip everything else off?
This centers everything.
Now, pick the bumper up.
All right.
You gotta get that bottom in before you put the top in, right?
Yep, and then this piece needs to go over the metal piece.
I don't know what you were talking about.
So there's a piece. That black piece needs to go over the metal support on the top outside, and then that'll make sure your bumper lines up. So you see, this right here is not going to let it go. So this needs to be on the outside of the frame. There you go. All right. Now he's got to put the 3 little clips in at the bottom. Okay. All right. And then everything's back. Now he's got to button everything back up.
Okay. And putting in our 1, 2, 3?
4.
4. Oh yeah, there's one on top. Great.
My heart's like going 100 miles an hour.
I'm breathing now. I don't like that.
Okay, better.
Okay.
No, man. Hey, baby, why don't you come hold it? If anybody's getting in. Never mind.
Could just crawl through the back. I'm just saying. And putting in the new
4th brake light.
4th brake light. That is also a reverse light. And it's what do you call it?
Tinted.
Tinted.
Or smoked out.
Alright, we're gonna try that again.
Yes, so dirty. Look at it.
Ooh, yeah. Okay. Alright, ready?
Oh, turn it up. This way. No, hold that so you can put the gloves on.
How about you line these nuts up? Man, you can't even do that right now.
It just pops off.
Yep,
right?
just pull really hard. Oh my God, you broke something.
You said pull really hard. Already.
That's pretty. Does it say AWE?
Yeah.
Aw.
So this is what you do, right? What you do for the brake light. You know, you may have got a little smear on that. What you want to do is I call it the spit shine. What you need to go spit it and get yourself some, 112 grit and just sand it real good and nice in there and get that all that stuff off.
That's just nasty.
Alright. That's a joke.
What is it, 2 jacks?
You want to put it somewhere safe under there?
Hold on 1 second.
Go ahead. Give me internet data if something goes wrong.
What could go wrong here? I'm just wondering.
What can go wrong is we can get 1 million views. That's the only thing I see going wrong. Come on. Come on.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3. Is it gonna fall?
What do you put under there?
The drag pack.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't.
God knows.
Oh,
Well, this is not an actual lift.
Break it out.
What'd you do?
The brake is on the brake.
You're scared.
you're hitting the door. Horrible people.